Have you ever wondered what the future of driving looks like? Well, it's electric, and it's here. As we journey into this new era of transportation, electric vehicles are rapidly gaining traction. They've moved from being a niche choice to a mainstream option. This shift is not just about keeping up with trends, it's about a commitment to sustainability. The automotive industry is recognizing its role in environmental conservation, and electric cars are at the forefront of this transition. These vehicles, free from the constraints of fossil fuels, represent a significant stride towards a greener future. Furthermore, the growing popularity of electric vehicles is a testament to their practicality. They offer a smooth, quiet ride, lower maintenance costs, and most importantly, zero tailpipe emissions. The future of driving is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing so responsibly. Today, we will dive into the world of one such electric vehicle, the Honda e:NS1 0.0L 2023. The Honda e:NS1 0.0L 2023 is part of a class of vehicles that are changing the face of transportation. These are not your average cars. They're electric, sleek, and designed with the future in mind. They're the vehicles that are breaking barriers and setting new standards. Let's dive into the world of electric vehicles and see how the Honda e:NS1 0.0L 2023 holds up against its peers. From the outside, its modern design is eye-catching. Its compact size belies the power that lies beneath the hood. But it's not just about looks. The Honda e:NS1 is packed with features that set it apart. One of the greatest strengths of the Honda e:NS1 is its remarkable efficiency. This car is all about getting the most out of every charge. It's designed to maximize range while minimizing waste, making it a standout in its class. But the Honda e:NS1 doesn't just excel in efficiency, it's also a champion when it comes to performance. This vehicle accelerates smoothly and handles with precision, making it a joy to drive. It delivers the kind of performance you'd expect from a top-tier electric vehicle, all while maintaining its commitment to sustainability. Of course, we can't talk about the Honda e:NS1 without mentioning its innovative features. From its advanced infotainment system to its cutting-edge safety features, this car is designed to make every journey enjoyable and safe. These features not only enhance the driving experience, but also set the Honda e:NS1 apart from its competitors. When it comes to electric vehicles, it's clear that the Honda e:NS1 0.0L 2023 is in a league of its own. It combines efficiency, performance, and innovation in a package that's both stylish and sustainable. This car is more than just a means of transport. It's a testament to the potential of electric vehicles and the future they represent. Clearly, the Honda e:NS1 0.0L 2023 holds its own against the competition. But what makes the Honda e:NS1 0.0L 2023 a game-changer in the electric vehicle market? It's not just its sleek design or the fact that it's a zero-emission vehicle. Its uniqueness lies in the details, the intricate features that make this Honda not just a car, but a driving experience. Let's start with its battery capacity. The Honda e:NS1 0.0L 2023 is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, promising a long-lasting drive. This isn't your everyday electric vehicle battery. It's a powerhouse, designed to keep you on the road for longer, while also contributing to a greener planet. And speaking of staying on the road, let's talk range. The Honda e:NS1 is not just about power, but endurance too. This vehicle offers a remarkable range on a single charge, allowing you to go the distance without having to worry about the next charging station. It's about freedom, the freedom to explore without limitations. But when you do need to charge, the Honda e:NS1 doesn't keep you waiting. Its fast charging capabilities mean you can charge up and be back on the road in no time. It's about convenience and efficiency, making sure you spend less time charging and more time driving. Now, let's delve into the technologically advanced features of this vehicle. The Honda e:NS1 is not just a car, but a smart car. With its advanced driver assist systems, it's designed to keep you safe on the road. Its cutting-edge infotainment system ensures you're entertained and connected, while its innovative design elements ensure you're always driving in style. And let's not forget about the comfort. The interior of the Honda e:NS1 is designed with the driver in mind, offering comfort and luxury at every turn. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, but about enjoying the journey in between. These features not only make the Honda ENS1 0.0L 2023 a standout performer, but also a delight for any driver. The Honda ENS1 0.0L 2023 isn't just about great features. It's a vehicle with significant benefits. And let's unwrap these benefits one by one. Firstly, the environmental impact. As a zero-emission vehicle, the Honda ENS1 is a breath of fresh air in a world where carbon footprints are a major concern. The E in the name isn't just for show. It signifies the electric power that propels this vehicle, leaving behind no harmful byproducts. This is a car that cares about the planet, and driving it means you're doing your part in the fight against climate change. Next, let's talk about cost-effectiveness. Sure, the initial price tag might seem steep compared to conventional fuel-powered vehicles, but look at the bigger picture. No gasoline expenses, lower maintenance costs, tax credits, and incentives for electric vehicles. All these factors add up over time, making the Honda ENS1 a financially sound choice in the long run. And then, there's the driving experience. This isn't your typical electric vehicle that compromises on performance for the sake of being green. The Honda ENS1 is designed to thrill. Its electric motor delivers instant torque for quick acceleration, while the ultra-compact design and low center of gravity ensure a nimble, responsive ride. The quiet electric drive creates a serene ambiance inside the cabin, transforming every journey into a relaxing experience. Moreover, the Honda ENS1 is loaded with cutting-edge tech features that enhance safety, comfort, and convenience. From the advanced driver assist systems to the intuitive infotainment setup, every aspect of this car is designed to make your driving experience smoother and more enjoyable. In a nutshell, the Honda ENS1 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A statement that you care about the environment, that you value innovation and forward-thinking design, that you're ready to embrace the future of driving. The Honda ENS1 0.0L 2023 truly embodies the future of driving. In conclusion, the Honda ENS1 0.0L 2023 is a testament to Honda's commitment to a sustainable future. This vehicle stands out as a beacon in the realm of electric cars, demonstrating once again that Honda is not just keeping pace with the times, but actually defining them. Let's revisit some of the key points discussed. The zero-emission technology incorporated in this model underscores Honda's dedication to environmental sustainability. It's not just about driving a car, it's about driving change. The Honda ENS1 0.0L 2023 is a tangible manifestation of that change. This model's sleek design is another aspect that deserves a second mention. The aesthetics are not just about looking good, they're about feeling good. When you're behind the wheel of the Honda ENS1, you're not just driving an electric vehicle, you're driving a masterpiece of modern design. The benefits of this vehicle extend beyond its physical features. The Honda ENS1 0.0L 2023 is a statement. It's a declaration that you're not just conscious about the environment, but actively contributing to its preservation. It's a commitment to a future where the air is cleaner, the roads are quieter, and the driving experience is more enjoyable. Moreover, Honda's commitment to sustainability doesn't stop at the production line. The company's dedication to creating a more sustainable world is evident in every aspect of their business, from their manufacturing processes to their corporate social responsibility initiatives. So what does the Honda ENS1 0.0L 2023 represent? It represents a vision of a future where electric vehicles don't just exist but thrive. A future where driving is not just a means to an end, but an experience to be savored. A future where sustainability is not just a buzzword, but a way of life. The future of driving is electric, and the Honda ENS1 0.0L 2023 is leading the way.